Okay, hi guys. So today I'm going to be going over the effectiveness, the efficiency, the enhancement, and the engagement of um, Edmodo. So I'm going to log in. Just 1 second. Okay, so this is my Edmodo account. We're going to first go over what the effectiveness is with it. The effectiveness can be, it's aligned or designed to support specific standards, and the specific standards here are to just allow myself and others to be able to access both the community of teachers as well as be able to have connections with my students and their parents. So I believe it does allow that because I can make different classes and groups. I'm also able to connect with teachers if I need to. It also allows to for me to be able to make quizzes and post. So let's go here. This is my favorite group class. I can make posts here to just get into contact with people in this group. I can make assignments. Well, yes, I can make assignments, and I also am able to make quizzes as well as polls. So that also ties into the efficiency, and um, how it ties into efficiency is because it allows for easy access to making quizzes and to having students answer questions as soon as they get onto it. It also sends reminders, so that's actually also very helpful. Um, It also does turn into, sorry about that, it also does turn into enhancement as well because they are able to engage wherever they are as long as they have the app or a laptop or some form of technology that they can access this on the internet. They can do their quizzes online, so that does allow for enhancement to be as well, play in here as well. It definitely does play into engagement here because it has interactive features. Let's see. Like if I want to, I can give my students badges, so that allows for them to be more excited in what they're doing, as well as just allowing them to know that they're doing well. So that allows for an engagement aspect, but it also again allows, it also, since they are able to take the quizzes online here, it also shows an engagement aspect. So I believe that Edmodo is actually a very good resource when it comes to wanting to work with the students in class, but also not students, teachers, and parents. It's a really good resource, and I actually think I will use it in the future for my classes. Thank you.